Hello kids. Let's learn letter C. Look carefully and answer. It is a sweet fruit. What is this? Cherry. Can you say it? Cherry. C is for cherry. You eat it, it is sweet and crunchy. What is this? Carrot. Can you say it? Carrot. C is for carrot. It ticks and shows time. What is this? Clock. Can you say it? Clock. C is for clock. It helps you carry things. What is this? Cart. Can you say it? Cart. C is for cart. It is a sweet dessert. What is this? Cake. Can you say it? Cake. C is for cake. It gives us milk. What is this? Cow. Can you say it? Cow. C is for cow. It glows at night. What is this? Candle. Can you say it? Candle. C is for candle. You sit on it. What is this? Chair. Can you say it? Chair. C is for chair. It has many colors in the sky. What is this? Cloud. Can you say it? Cloud. C is for cloud. It is a green vegetable. What is this? Cabbage. Can you say it? Cabbage. C is for cabbage. It makes a loud sound. What is this? Clap. Can you say it? Clap. C is for clap. You can write it. What is this? Cycle. Can you say it? Cycle. C is for cycle. You drink from it. What is this? Cup. Can you say it? Cup. C is for cup. You can use it to study, play games, and watch videos. What is this? Computer. Can you say it? Computer. C is for computer. It keeps you warm. What is this? Coat. Can you say it? Coat. C is for coat. It shines in the sky at night. What is this? Comet. Can you say it? Comet. C is for comet. It says meow. What is this? Cat. Can you say it? Cat. C is for cat. You can drive it on the road. What is this? Car. Can you say it? Car. C is for car. It has claws and lives in the sea. What is this? Crab. Can you say it? Crab. C is for crab. You use it on a computer. What is this? Cursor. Can you say it? Cursor. C is for cursor. Great job! You learned so many C words. Can you say them again? Next, let's learn letter D words. Subscribe for fun learning videos of all letters A to Z.